In essence, the celebration of the birth of humankind Savior, which the entire country awaits in a 3-month day-to-day countdown, behooves the faithful to predicate gratitude, kindness, and joy with acts of love, care, and compassion for the neighbor and those in need especially. Likewise, the President in his moving message to the country says, we the people should celebrate Christmas as a Thanksgiving event that includes all sectors and citizens outside the faith. Our Kenneth Paciente fills us with more.
Live out the true meaning and purpose of Christmas. This is the message of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to Filipinos on the spirit of this special day all Christians celebrate. The President said this occasion is essential to Christians as a celebration of the birth of Christ the Savior. But it is also time to feel the presence of God through gratitude, kindness, and happiness for all. The President emphasized that Christmas celebration is not only for Christians because it has become a symbol of thanksgiving even for those of different beliefs. The President reminds us all that Christmas is a major reason for families to come together. Therefore, Christmas should be celebrated through introspection and reflection of its meaning and purpose. The President wishes the joy and spirit of Christmas bring love and peace to every home and foster a deeper relationship with God and one another. In the Christmas video greeting from the first family this holiday season, the President said that despite the challenges faced this year, Christmas will push through and be celebrated by all Filipinos.
Paskong Pilipino ay ang pinakamasayang Pasko sa buong mundo. Kaya naman, sa kabila ng anumang pagsubok o pinagdadaanan, hindi may aalis sa atin ang magdiwang. Simple man ang pamamaraan.
It does not have to be grand. What matters is spending time with family and sharing a meal. The people can also visit the beautiful sceneries in the country or attend Mass together.
Hindi naman kailangan mag-arbo. Dahil nasa ang sulok ng bansa at anuman ang ating kalagayan, ang Pasko sa Pilipino ay pagmamahalan at pagbibigayan. Ang Pasko sa Pilipino ay pamilya. Kami po ay bumabati sa inyo ng maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon.
From Manila, Kenneth Paciente, Balitang Pambansa.